Disclaimer. Before we get started, remember that Forex is a very risky business. Risk what you're able to afford.
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around.
Bruh.
Be aware of scammers online. Do not pay anyone to trade for you. Do not buy signals online. And there's no such things as a perfect trader. Manage your emotions and conquer the trading world. Put in the work and enjoy your profit. In this video, I will show you how I was able to get to this point. I will show you the technical analysis and the charts and the secret strategies that I used.
In the meantime, what do you say we get down to business?
So, welcome back. I have another analysis on how I was able to get to here. So, as you can see, I am marking my take profit. That is just an area that I took for take profit, and this is Euro USD, and it's a major pair normally, so it's open on all open market days, and I just had to check it with other time frames because that is what I do for every trade that I take. So I am marking the previous high, which was taken out, just as you can see. So that gave me confidence that the price was just going to go and hunt the orders below the area that I've just marked. And so what I do next is just go over other time frames just to get confidence, and making sure that the previous high was taken out and a new high was created. So I know another high is going to be created just below the high that was created, which is the most important one. And so as you can see, I believe that for you to grasp what you're doing is you have to check the news. You need to know what is going on in the market. You need to understand the value of the market to the price, what it does, and after that then you check your emotions. You want to be in the right state of trading so that you can be able to make money. You do not want any confusion. So for these strategies, you can see, just a little bit motivation so you can make money. And I am trying to understand this movement. As you can see, the price was bullish, so it can take a previous high. So I'm trying to understand what the market was trying to tell us. Remember this, you are up against the bankers, and the banks, they leave messages just behind. And as you can see, I'm finding important areas, and I can see there was a breaker that was created. And you know what the essentials of a breaker, because a breaker normally tells us that price is changing its course. So when that breaker is taken out, you know, price is saying, oh, I'm trying to go this area down. Just as you can see, the breaker was taken. This is our important area that when it was taken, it's trying to tell us that the market no longer has the intention to go upwards, just as it is going. And as you can see, this breaker for me indicated that the market really wants to change its course. And when that happened, I decided that now it's time to check for what next, because you do not want to miss the opportunity that the market is just creating. As you can see, they have just indicated the breaker and an ICT breaker. You do know this explains the market is changing its course. So I went to another time frame just so I can see my work clearly. You're gonna see is in this movement, in this strategy, in this creation, you can see they're very much together. So you need to use other time frames so you can see the division what was formed. So I saw my breaker and it was taken down, but what took it down is also a high, and that gave me confidence because now what I was doing is that when the breaker was taken out, I was looking for an entry area now. So with an entry area, as you can see, I normally do go with the fair value gap or another block, but the price is going to bring what it does. It's not your work to predict what the market is going to bring, whether order block, fair value gap, demand and supply. That is not your job. Your job is to see what price has created and work with it. So in this case of mine, as you can see, the price created a fair value gap. Yes, a fair value gap was created. And remember, a fair value gap, we say this is where a price gets ahead of itself and it makes rapid moves. And you can see there was a rapid move made, and a fair value gap would act as a target or an entry area. So as you can see, the price did go just where the fair value gap, as you can see there, liquidity there, meaning that price went to it to fill the gap that was created. When the gap is created, then the price goes down. So you can see the price did hit my take profit area. Just as you can see, my take profit area was taken, which was not, it was 20 pips, but there's so much you can do with 20 pips. And just as you can see, I decided to get out there because I have a good size account that I'm able to make good money with small pips. It's just about risk management, just know what works for you. And you could take, I'm marking areas where you could take profit. If you're not taking it, my area, you can see down below, I have two other levels that I've marked where you can actually take the trade and good profit over there. So that was it for today's analysis.